My dear student, I am so happy that you are so fantastic. Thank you for watching. Let's dive into more practical. So, I know you would love to create the most fantastic ads, mobile ads, instant experience. But please, we really need to build very strong foundations for you. What does it mean? With all the changing everything, Apple restrictions, and very fast Facebook ads, Instagram ads, network experience, and of course, Messenger ads and WhatsApp. It's all changing so fast. So what I really need you is to set up the business manager. This is so important. I know that you like just to use the ad account and you like just to click to boost and the ad is running for you, but I really need you to use all the power that Facebook is giving you. And what does it mean? The business solution, it's a complete package. So you can of course use your ad account, business page, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all the powers. You need to correctly set up the Facebook pixel events, domain verification, and of course now with Apple restrictions, the best is to go for API. The best, for example, if you have a Shopify solution, so you can have a full conversion API. And this API is now developing a lot. I am showing how to use API via WordPress, and there are more partnership solutions. And you also need to set up the aggregated events. That's so important. You need to be able to use catalogs, e-commerce manager, and all this power I want you to use. So you are really powerful. You can really create the best ads, the best audiences, the best custom audiences. And I really need you to be extremely strong in this and have this very strong foundations. So please, if you can stay with me, if you can understand this setup that is so important for you, I know it's much more easy just to add the card and just starting the ads, but using the complete business solution is much more powerful. So please use it, benefit from it, and get ready to reach great success!